Dear students, good morning. Congratulations. You all are promoted to class 5. Hope that you will enjoy learning social studies. And what you see now is the cover page of our social studies textbook. The name of the book is Window on the World. Dear children, the name of the first chapter which you are going to learn from your social studies textbook is Locating Places on a Globe. You are going to learn the lines on a globe from this chapter. The lines on a globe are latitudes and longitudes. You will also learn about the global grid from this chapter. First, let us try to understand what latitudes are. Dear children, lines of latitude and lines of longitude are imaginary lines. These imaginary lines are seen on any globe. Next, let us study about lines of latitude and lines of longitude in detail.
Okay, okay.
Dear children, what do you see now? It's a globe. If anybody wants to find out any place on earth, he or she can do it with the help of grid of that place. What is this grid? Grid is the meeting point of latitudes and longitudes. I will show you latitudes and longitudes on this globe now. Do you see these lines which are drawn from north to south? Do you see these lines which are drawn from north to south? These kinds of lines which we draw on a globe from north to south are called longitudes. There are some other lines which are drawn from right to left or left to right, like this on a globe. These kinds of lines which we draw on globe from right to left or left to right are called latitudes. These are imaginary lines. We cannot see these kinds of lines on earth. We can see these kinds of lines only on globe or map, that they are models of earth. Now I think you have understood what are latitudes. Latitudes are these kinds of lines which are drawn from right to left or left to right on a globe. Like that, there are imaginary lines which are drawn from north to south on a globe. These kinds of imaginary lines are called longitudes. From this explanation, now you have understood that grid is made up of imaginary lines such as latitudes and longitudes. Now let us try to learn about equator. Equator is an imaginary line that runs along the middle of the earth. It's a latitude and it is the longest latitude. Children, can you see a dotted line which runs through the middle of this globe? That dotted line is called equator. It is the longest latitude. It divides the earth into two equal halves. Children, latitudes are also known as parallels. Now let us try to learn features of latitude. Lines of latitude mark the distance of a place from the equator. Parallels are numbered from the equator. There are north latitudes and south latitudes. Parallels are at an equal distance from one another. Children, I hope that you all understood the lesson. Now try to answer these questions. What is a grid? What are latitudes? What do we mean by equator? Children, hope that you understood the lesson. If you feel any doubt, you can feel free to contact me. I am Faisal Babu. You can see my number now. Thank you.